Okay, this is all for you and for your all for your mom also. आपने भी अपने ले लिया, क्या क्या लिया मैम? If you can share. Okay, and how about your daddy? Daddy के लिए क्या क्या लिया? कुछ भी नहीं? Your daddy is in Dubai. दुबई से दिरहम जा रहा है, रुपया में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. शॉपिंग करो मैक्स में दबा के जीतो एक सूटकेस. डैडी के लिए कुछ भी नहीं, राइट? 1 dirham is equal to 23 rupees. मस्त, टेंशन नहीं लेने का, खाने का पीने का, दिरहम यूज करने का, मैक्स में आने का, शॉपिंग करने का, टाइम बचे तो हैदराबादी बिरयानी खाने का, राइट? ऐसा ही है. अरे यार सो स्वीट. कैन वी हैव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हर एवरीवन? जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए. आई नो आप लोग अभी ताली वाली नहीं बजाने वाले हो, पर ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. ताली नहीं बजाओगे तो गिफ्ट भी मैं नहीं देने वाला हूँ. कैन यू सिंग एनी सॉन्ग?
favorite songs, and she's oh oh जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना सनम.
सो मैम ने जो अभी गाना गाया ओ जाने जाना, राइट? तो मैम ने ये गाना गाया ओ जाने जाना. महेश बाबू, हाउ अबाउट यू? हु इज योर फेवरेट एक्टर? सॉरी, Pooja Hegde. Okay, in actress and actor, how about the male actor? Allu Arjun. Oh, देखा लाला, पुष्पा राज झुकेगा नहीं, right? This is the gift, right? So ladies and gents, as you can see, इन्होंने अभी मैक्स से ये इनको मिला है गिफ्ट में for the shop of how much you have shop? 5,000 rupees. Okay, 5,000 रुपए की इन्होंने शॉपिंग किया है. दिरहम. बेटे को हाथ लगाने से पहले बाप से बात कर, राइट? सो सेम चीज यहाँ पे होने वाला है. बेटी को हाथ लगाने से पहले बाप से बात कर, बिकॉज उनके जो फादर है ना, ही इज अ सुपरस्टार, ही इज अ मेगा स्टार, ही इज द हार्ट थ्रोब नॉट ओनली फॉर द तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एंड फॉर द साउथ इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, बट ऑल्सो ही लव्स फॉर 140 करोड़ इंडियन. हर किसी के फेवरेट है वो. आई थिंक he is the one.
Louder noise, I want some energy. आप सब say hello everyone.
Hello, Hyderabad.
Okay, now I see some waves. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hello, and it is our immense pleasure to welcome you all to the Max Festive Collection launch. So, ladies and gentlemen, like my co-host has already told you, बहुत सारी मस्ती, बहुत सारा धमाका होने वाला है. We also have a celebrity guest who's going to join us.
यार, who is the celebrity? I'm really excited यार. Who is the celebrity is coming?
थोड़ा सस्पेंस रखना तो बनता
थोड़ा
है ना?
सस्पेंस है?
हाँ.
अच्छा ठीक है, चल ठीक है.
इतनी जल्दी नहीं. What is your name? Vishan. Okay, what is your name? Vihan. Vihan. What is your name?
Mishika.
Mishika. And? Anjali.
I'm Shireen.
Shireen. Okay. So what I am going to do is, I am going to divide all of you in 2 teams, okay? So one captain would be Anjali and one captain would be Savitri, okay? So I think you'll have to go to that team. Mama and daughter same. Okay. Where is the picture of the selfie corner? Max selfie corner, just behind. Acha, just show me the picture of both of you, na? There in the selfie corner. Anjali's team, a round of applause for our winning team. Thank you so much for participating in this quick challenge. I will call you again, especially our winning team. We have some goodies, but we don't have them right now. In the next half of the event, I will call you again, so you can come and collect them from us. All right? Thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause for them, everybody? Yes, come on.
And now moving on to the next, which I want you, the one and only Jasmine. She is here, and I must request Jasmine. Jasmine, please come forward. Diksha, can I have the mic? Thanks, buddy. Welcome you, Jasmine. मुझे पता चला जैस्मीन आ रही है, मैंने बोला यार जैस्मीन ही आ रही है या मतलब seriously, I mean this is really amazing. So
Thank
Jasmine
you
is
so
here.
much for this warm welcome.
Thanks.
So Andaki Namaskaram, good afternoon everyone.
The celebrity is Jasmine. Please announce the name of the celebrity.
We all have the Princess of Hyderabad, Sitara, along with super mom and a super star, Namrata Garu. Let's welcome on stage then. I know I'm shivering a lot having on them. We are highly privileged to have you and you, both of you on stage. So yeah, I hope we should give some Energy to them, right?
Hi everyone.
So hi Sitara.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So tell me something, how you're comfortable with this dress, how you're liking it?
Honestly, it's so comfortable, and Max Fashion's clothes, all of them are amazing.
Oh, one thing I have to tell you all, be right here, don't go. We have some surprises for you. And we have superstar or super mom with us, Namrata Garu. So I'm highly privileged, ma'am. Would you speak something?
I just want to say hi everyone. Hi. It's really a pleasure to be here today, and thank you Max Fashion India for inviting Sitara for this event. It's a very good cause what you all are doing, and I'm really happy to be here.
Thank you, ma'am. So we have our regional business heat, Petty Raju Anand Ram sir here. Let's welcome sir on stage. Sir.
Good evening, all. Along with Prince Sitara and Mrs. Namrata Shirodkar, today we plan to kick off our festive campaign with Miss Sitara and Mrs. Namrata Shirodkar. What a lovely day for us. To explain a little more about Max, the brand originated from Dubai. In 2004, we started this Max at Middle East, and 2006, we started our Indian operations. It's about 17 plus years now. Max is growing strength to strength. Nationwide, we have about 460 plus stores, covering 200 stores. And in Telangana and AP, we are already operational about 68 stores. By end of this year, we are likely to have about 80 plus stores. And Pan India will be heading towards a milestone of 500 plus Max stores. Max is a brand, is a very well positioned for modern, young parents and fashion enthusiastic, very youth-centric brand. This is affordable, and the prices are been very sharply made to cater to more and more people across Pan India. Coming to the Max Fashion Koluvu, this is an inspiration from our part of Dasara celebrations in Telugu twin states, a Bommal Koluvu. If you recollect, as a tradition, this will be celebrated during the Dasara. However, we wanted to have a cultural connect and blend with this Max Fashion Koluvu, which depicts our festive fashion lines, a celestial pop, which has a very contemporary fashion for men, women and boys and girls. For the next 6 weeks of the festive, Max will have continuous fresh fashion being launched across the stores to meet the requirements of the fashion aspirants. And we also have a plan, a gesture of gifting on this for the most deserved elders and kids with us. And it is once again Max as a brand which is very omnipresent, and it's also Koluvu, and which is built with 150 mannequins and 100 plus styles of merchandise, apparel and accessories, which are the many fashion lines that is being displayed for the many customers to see before even we wanted to have an entry to our purchase decision. So, wishing you all a very happy festivities in advance. Thank you once again. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you so much, sir. So, tell me something, Sitara, how you're feeling standing over here, having lots of fans over here. You're the princess of Hyderabad. So, say something. We would like to listen from you.
So I'm really proud to be a part of this initiative, and I just want to thank Max Fashion for inviting me. I'm so proud and happy to be a part of this Koluvu.
Okay, so we have this for Sitara.
Thank you.
Shiva. And we have another one for Namrata Garu too. इतने में ही ख़त्म नहीं होता। हम लोग के पास बहुत प्यारे बच्चे हैं और वी हैव many goodies for them, so we are getting it right now, so we can give it to them. And don't be like इधर उधर मत चाहिए, please be here because we have our princess and Namrata Garu over here. So we have some special goodies for the kids which has curated by Sitara. So I would like to thank Sitara for curating it and giving it to them. So Sitara will be giving it to them and they're right there. Yeah, like
Ladies and gents, Hyderabad and the Kirak public of Hyderabad, can we see? Ladies and gents, आप सबको पता है that Mahesh Babu sir, the Mahesh Babu sir is the superstar, right? And हम सब लोग उनके die hard fan हैं. And his daughter is there. Can we have a huge round of applause, everyone? I think this is the power of Hyderabad. We really want to thank to Max also for such an amazing event. The Max celebration is on. Go ahead. All the lovely kids, thank you so much. I hope you had a wonderful day, right? You have just the lovely kids. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. आज तो मतलब इसकी जिंदगी बन गई आज तो इस बच्चे की, सीरियसली पूरे मोहल्ले में जाके पूरे गांव में जाके आज बोलने वाला, ये देखो मेरी पिक्चर किसके साथ आई है। भाई मैं तो बोलता हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे अकाउंट बना लो, you'll be the superstar today. शाम होता, can I have the next team, ma'am please? Okay, that's old age people. It's an honor. It's an honor. Can we have a huge round of applause, everyone, for such an amazing old age people? Thank you so much. May God bless you all. May God bless you all with a good health and long life. वो कहते हैं ना कि बुजुर्गों की दुआएं लेनी चाहिए, उनका आशीर्वाद लेना चाहिए, राइट? So Durga Puja is coming up, Diwali is there, New Year, Christmas, festive season आने वाला है। फेस्टिव सीजन को और भी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत और बेहतर बनाने के लिए मैक्स आप सब के लिए बहुत ही कमाल के लेकर आया फैशंस, जिसकी प्राइस भी बहुत ही रीजनेबल एंड बहुत अफोर्डेबल है, राइट? So you can check it out, all the latest fashion of Max inside the Nexus Mall, one of the best. एक चीज लेडीज एंड जेंट्स, आप सब हैदराबाद के लोगों को मैं बोलना चाहूँगा, वो कहते हैं ना कि जिनके माँ बाप अच्छे होते हैं उनके बच्चों में भी वैसा ही संस्कार होता है। नम्रता इज सुपरस्टार है, राइट? शी इज अ सेलिब्रिटी, बट स्टिल आप देख सकते हो कि कितना जबरदस्त वाला संस्कार इनको इनके माता पिता ने दिया है। सुपरस्टार होने के बावजूद भी नीचे आ रही है ये, एंड जो ओल्ड एज लोग हैं उनको अपने हाथों से ऊपर स्टेज पर लेके जा रही है। अगर आपको ये चीज पसंद आए तो एक बार जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए, प्लीज। लेट्स हैव अ बिग हैंड, लेट्स हैव अ बिग हैंड फॉर नम्रता। शी टोटली डिजर्व दिस लव। अमूमन ऐसा लोग मानते हैं कि सेलिब्रिटी के बच्चे हैं तो उनमें उतना संस्कार नहीं होगा, बट जस्ट लुक एट हर, लुक एट हर। Jasmine, would you like to say something, Jasmine? Old age people को लेके जा रही है, right? And Sitara ji is there, Namrata ji is there, you are there, right? Sitara ji मतलब इतनी बड़ी सुपरस्टार है, उसके बावजूद भी यार इतना ज़्यादा संस्कार उनके अंदर है. Would you like to say something about Sitara ji?
Then, she being a super mom along as a superstar, so we should
Exactly.
learn all these things from her. She being so humble and Sitara too, so we should learn this from them.
I think Sitara ji and yes, Namrata ji, both are amazing, right?
Yes, it's the important
Exactly.
time.
She's the proud daughter here. She's the proud
She's
daughter,
the
right?
princess of Hyderabad.
Princess of Hyderabad, exactly. She is the princess of Hyderabad, the one and only Sitara. Just ladies and gents, just look at the simplicity of the one and only Sitara. This young and very talented, the upcoming superstar of not only the Telugu film industry but also Bollywood, Tollywood and perhaps agar mauka milta hai to Hollywood bhi. That is for sure. So just look at the simplicity of the one and only Sitara.
Stand in the middle, take a picture. Just one photograph and then she leaves. No more. यहाँ पे और भी है, टाइम लगता है. Please one more photo and then she leaves.
Sitara, I would like to request you to kindly pose for a photo with all together. Yeah, please come forward a little bit. And Hyderabad, आप सब लोग भी आने वाले हो frame में, by the way, right? It's a moment for honor. We really want to thank the bottom of my heart to Max. Thank you. New Year से पहले, Christmas से पहले, गणेश के बाद, ईद मिलादुन नबी के बाद, हम सबको मैक्स बहुत ही कमाल का मौका दिया. Once again, thank you so much, Max. मैं तो रेगुलर कस्टमर हूँ सर मैक्स का. To be very very honest, I'm wearing the Max shirt also. क्योंकि मैक्स में मुझे बहुत अच्छा डिस्काउंट मिलता है. Seriously. हम इंडियन लोगों को डिस्काउंट बहुत मैटर में भी मैक्स है. हम इवेंट वालों को हमेशा नए कपड़ों की जरूरत होती है, तो मैं लेता रहता हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू अम्मा. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. धन्यवाद लो एवरीवन. धन्यवाद लो. थैंक यू सो मच अमृता मैम. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड नाउ लेडीज एंड जेंट्स, आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज द वन एंड ओनली Vishant Duggal sir, Deputy Center Head. I would like to request with huge wonderful applause. Everyone एक बार जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए Vishant Duggal sir के लिए, Deputy Center Head. Also I would like to invite the one and only Magnesh Desmukh sir, AGM Marketing Nexus Mall. Both of you to please come forward on stage sir. Once again, ladies and gents, Vishant Duggal sir with the memento. Thank you very much sir. Now I would like to request Mr. Anir Banji and Mr. Balaji to come. I think मुझे हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा गाना है जो आप सब लोगों ने कभी सुना होगा. आई एम श्योर सुना होगा कभी ना कभी. वो मुझे याद आ रहा है सितारा जी को. तब हो जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम, महेश बाबू की सितारा हो, 14वीं का चांद हो. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू अनिल सर. थैंक यू. थैंक यू सितारा जी. इसी तरह से आप चमकती रहो, दुनिया में नाम कमाती रहो. महेश सर का, नम्रता मैम का नाम ऊंचा करती रहो, भारत का नाम ऊंचा करती रहो, तेलंगाना का नाम ऊंचा करती रहो. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू नम्रता मैम. थैंक यू. थैंक यू मैक्स.